At Grekkon, we recently completed the installation of a JD water pump system built for serious long-distance water delivery. This particular setup was designed to pump water 1 kilometer away at an elevation of 49 meters. Powered by a robust 30 horsepower engine, the pump has a head of 120 meters at 100 cubic meters per hour and delivers a consistent volume of 80 cubic meters per hour. The installation process started at our workshop, where we pre-assembled parts and welded a heavy-duty stand using high-gauge steel for durability. On-site, we selected a well-drained location near the water source, ensuring the suction height didn't exceed 6 meters. We then leveled the ground and constructed a solid hard pan using waterproof cement, allowing it to cure for 4 days before installation. Once operational, the JD pump demonstrated its capacity to deliver water over distances of more than 4 kilometers. If you're in need of a reliable, high-performance water pumping solution for your farm or irrigation project, reach out to Grekkon. We'll help you move water farther, faster and more efficiently.
This is our end result. You can see some fantastic. This is just out amazing. Huh? Hata dudu wamekuwa wengi. Yeah. So Ahmed, Sahara,
we are done now.
Tumeshukuru Mungu.
Tunaona vile tunaoga sasa.